We made it. It's a modern miracle every day.
Now look at the silver car.
It's snowing. It's snowing. The last snow of the year, I think. That's very pretty. Let's see, Brattleboro, Vermont, a little bit of snow. Caleb Clark here, aka Achy Dad. That's my new blog, achydad.com. We didn't do many shoveling videos this year, did we, Sha?
No, there's not any shoveling.
No. There's a little scraping or brushing.
There was some ice scraping.
Ice scraping. Shaw's got his new boots. Where's Ivy? Did we lose her? There you are. You fiddling bard. You boobly doodler. Yeah, you little bird. You little bird here. It's a cup. It's a cup. Yeah. Alright. Shaw, get ready to get in the car.
Walking around in the snow.
I know you're walking around in the snow. Okay, what am I doing? Oh, I gotta get the other car going. The old car. Maybe the old car will be a Model 3 Tesla in 2 years. It's a dream. Ivy, I can have a dream. I don't know if I can afford a dream. We're wondering about the tax incentives on a Model S. Alright, yes, back to the snow. Weather report. Alright. Alright. Signing off. Stay safe out there.